What are the benefits and uses of the Copaiba soft gels, pink pepper essential oil, hydrating body mist, balanced deodorant, and the On Guard Mouthwash? 5 awesome products. Well, you can learn more about that in today's doTERRA 2018 post-convention tour in Las Vegas, part 3, that I filmed and was a part of. Make sure to stay tuned until the very end and watch all 3 parts for all the amazing product reviews and raffle prize winners as well.
Okay, so we have had a year ago, in convention a year ago, they came out with Copaiba, didn't they? And I know it, and I use this all the time too, and at convention, some of them called it Copaiba and stuff like that. Some call it Copaiba. I like Copaiba. So that's what I'm calling it. Right? Because I can. I'm up here. Well, you know what? I think the owners call it Copaiba, from what I understand. At least they were. So this is what's really cool. At convention, though, what did they do? They came out with, how many of you were putting your Copaiba into your own gel caps and taking it internally? Raise your hand if you were doing that. A lot of us were doing that, right? Yeah, and so instead of us having to do that, now they came out with it in a gel cap. And so you can get the Copaiba in a gel cap. Let me go forward and show you that. Isn't that cool? In a gel cap now, and make it easy for us. Yeah, and just so you know, this gel cap is carrageenan free. All right, if anybody's worried about carrageenan free. So the Copaiba liver and antioxidant support. There's that word again, antioxidant, to stop those free radicals. Cardiovascular health for our heart. Sustains proper immune response. Are you hearing that in a lot of these oils that are new for this convention? We're getting a lot of immune response oils that are helping us with our immune system, which we need today, I feel. There's so many of those little bugs going around and stuff. And it's great for digestive support. Did you know that of the top 10 reasons that people go to the emergency room, 4 of them are digestive health? So Copaiba helps with our digestive health, supports proper neurological function, and then also our respiratory function. It's very good for our lung health with our respiratory. Copaiba, the gel caps. Let's give it away. I'm going into the corner of this box, and we have a winner at 9943. 9943. Anybody? 99. Yep, you have to jump up and scream. Someone did it for her. Okay. We're doing it for her. So our next oil is, wasn't it so cool that there were so many new oils at convention? Oh, it's so cool. Pink pepper. I've used black pepper quite a bit, and now we got pink pepper. It says the pink peppercorn, while similar in appearance to black peppercorn, apart from the color, is closely related to cashews. Did you know that? Isn't that interesting? Yeah, I thought so too. Anyways, and it comes from a tree that's considered sacred to the ancient Incans. So anyways, the pink peppercorn tree, it supports healthy immune response, and we've been saying that over and over again. Digestive and respiratory systems. It has, let me see, it's very relaxing and soothing to the nervous system. Okay, and then it promotes healthy cellular and immune function response. So this is a great one too, and you can use it aromatically, you can use it topically, and you can use it internally. So you can use it all 3 ways. Isn't that pretty cool? It comes in a 5 ml bottle, so one of those smaller bottles, and it's $22 wholesale, and it's available right now that we can get it. Okay, so let me show you this next one. We can, for every inch of our body, pink pepper is going to benefit. It's going to benefit us with our gastrointestinal. It's going to help us with our liver. And I don't know if you've been out in the health industry and studying, but many people have, fatty liver disease and different issues with their liver. So the pink pepper is going to be very helpful with that. Cardiovascular system with our heart health, vascular system, and with our kidneys. And so I think this is one of these that we're going to need to look at and see how can we incorporate this into our in our daily health, okay? So now we're gonna give away a pink pepper. Ready for a pink pepper? I told you a lot of you are gonna win tonight. Okay, so I just picked out 9897. 9897. Oh, right up front here. Good job. Okay. Congratulations. Okay, now I have to tell you, when they came out, when they talked about this, I was so excited about it. This is something new to our spa line, hydrating body mist. How many of you have used it already? Yeah. I was so excited about it. It has a light mist, and it's very it's hydrating to the body, and it helps the skin to feel smoother and more silky, and it just makes it feel really good. I was very excited about it because I thought, you know, this is going to be really good on my legs and my arms and all of that. So I've been using it after I shower, and I can tell a difference, and it's wonderful. So this is going to be one that I'm going to have on my order all the time. I just love it. It has a 360-degree applicator where it turns around, you can spray it. Though I will tell you, once I wasn't paying attention, I did spray it at my eye. So don't do that. Don't do it. Luckily, I think I closed my eye just as fast as I sprayed it. I didn't feel much discomfort. So just make sure you're spraying it in your eye like me, okay? And it's good to apply after you shower or bathe, or anytime that you need it for hydration. And you know what they have in this hydrating body mist? They have Beautiful, the essential oil Beautiful. So if you were at convention the previous year, 2017, they always have a convention oil, and Beautiful was our convention oil, and we just loved that oil. And they have it in this hydrating body mist, Beautiful. It has lime peel, bergamot, osmanthus, and frankincense in this oil. So okay, let me see. So it is $25 wholesale. It's available now. It is made to put on topically, so it's not one that we're really going to be doing internally. Okay? It probably wouldn't kill you, but it might not taste so good, I think. I don't know. And let me see. Oh, this is really cool. The hydrating oils that are in it are coconut oil, sunflower oil, avocado, and passion fruit. Isn't that pretty cool? Yeah. And it helps to protect or to maintain the skin's natural barrier. So we are gonna win. Someone's gonna win a hydrating body mist now, right? Okay. So you guys ready? You have your tickets out and you're all ready? Okay. Let's see what I've got here. Had a hard time grabbing one that time. Okay. 0033. 0033. Way over there on the right side. We've got a winner. Congratulations. Okay, moving on to our next. See, we have all these products for convention. It was so cool. Okay, now this is a reformulation. doTERRA some years back. Are you excited about this? I am. They had a reformulation of the deodorant that they had, and I had used the other deodorant, but we felt like there could be some improvements. Well, they did. They improved on the deodorant, and it's in the Balance line right now. And this is the cool thing. It's aluminum free. Now, aluminum, if you use an antiperspirant, and that's what helps us to stop us from getting wet under our arms. If you use an antiperspirant, then usually there's aluminum in it. Do you know that? And aluminum is toxic to the body. It is known as one of the toxic substances, and aluminum itself can cause some major health issues that I'm not even going to go into, but it can cause some major ones. So if you could get away from putting that on, you should, the aluminum. So it's aluminum free. And then the baking soda helps to neutralize and prevent odors, along with some of the essential oils that are in there. And then arrowroot powder, which is in it, aids in absorbing underarm moisture. So it's not an antiperspirant, but it does have arrowroot powder in that helps to absorb the moisture. So I've been using it, and it's been working great for me. How many of you out there have been using it? Yeah. So to get away from that, to get away from the aluminum is something that I think that we should all do, okay? So now we're going to give away a deodorant. Who wants to win a deodorant tonight? Okay. The number is 9803. 9803. Do we have a winner? Oh, right over here.
Let's see if we get all the way down this line.
Congratulations. And now we are going to, this is the last product that I'm going to present. And it's doTERRA's new mouthwash. Were you so excited when they announced it? I was so excited. We've been asking for that for a while. You know what? There's so many harsh chemicals out there and artificial flavors and deodorants and the different products that we use. It's so nice that doTERRA has come out with a mouthwash that is safe for us and that's safe for our families to use. We don't have to worry about it, right? And this mouthwash it's clear, it's natural, it's alcohol-free. And the other thing is, it is so healthy for our oral health. It helps to reduce like plaque, and it helps to reduce getting things like cavities in our mouth and things like that. Your gum is healthy for the gums. It is just healthy all the way around. And you know what? When you're young, you might think that you're going to have good and healthy, strong teeth and gums forever, but as you get older, it actually does change within your mouth. And so I would recommend, if you're not even using mouthwash for you young people, start using it for that oral health. It's so important to be able to have something that's healthy and that works and that is safe for us. And so I'm excited about that. If I can tell you, I'm so excited about all the new products. I hope you're as excited as I am. We are going to now give away our On Guard. It's called On Guard because it has On Guard in it. We're going to give away our On Guard mouthwash. It's part of that On Guard line. And so let's see what number I grab is 9863. We have a little right here, 9863. Mouthwash. So,
Yep, 987.
did someone win it? 9863. Okay. So now I get to turn the time over to the rest of the doTERRA's. They're going to talk about the other doTERRA products that came out convention, the kid line, and